Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Amazon account. So if you also want to log in Amazon account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in amazon.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. From here you'll be able to shop online. You'll be able to find variety of products over here. You can shop from your home at your ease. So if you want to log into your account, it is very simple. For that, at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find several options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for account and lists. If you hover over it, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Amazon. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your email or phone number. Simply enter your email or phone number. Over here I'm going to enter my email. Now after entering the email, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that you'll be able to reset it. Now after you've entered the password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Amazon account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.